What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Is back to it for y'all. Last y'all seen from us, I was sitting at Disney World. That video just got updated. For some reason, it wouldn't export. But today's vlog is gonna be our top picks for cruise ship essentials. It works great on 3-day cruises. Works great for y'all. Whichever one works great for y'all. I will leave a link down below and where I bought everything at. Amazon's where I bought a lot of my essential stuff from for the cruises. So these are going to be my top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 technically, 8, maybe top 10 stuff. There's a little stuff that you can add to it that I do not have sitting with me right now. I'm going to go ahead and do a top 10 cruise ship essentials for your room, your cabins, to make you more comfortable, make you feel more like at home, and to maximize the space that you have on your cruise. So the first thing I will pop off that I will say is going to be in my top 10 is going to be a lanyard for your sign and sell card. Now these are the lanyards that we bought, and it came with the kit that we got, but we did not use them. We used what Carnival gave us on our as our honeymoon package that we got. We used that. It was a whole lot easier, but put your little sign and sell card in here. You take it in and out of it to be able to get into the room. Second is going to be luggage tag holders. It's a heck of a lot easier than going in and stapling them on your luggage, on your bags and stuff. This right here comes with a pack of 4, and it's got the little things to go on to hold it onto your suitcase itself. That was number 9. Number 8 is going to be towel bands. Makes it easier to organize your towels whenever you're going to getting off the boat, going on little excursions and stuff is a heck of a lot easier. Number 10. Number 7 is going to be these right here. I don't get seasick. Brittany don't get seasick, but it came in the package. But so what it does is seasick bands. You just basically, you go in here, you put it on, it's tight. But you put it on your wrist, and it sits right here on your wrist, and it's supposed to, for some reason, it hits a nerve or whatever it is, one of the pressure points, helps you not get seasick. And it's got that little piece right there, that's what presses down in on it. Number 6 is going to be a fan, a little clip fan. We can't get them. I'll link them down below of the clip fan that we got, that I will link it, like I said, link it down below. Number 5, this hits the top 5, guys, top 5. You ready? Top 5. Number 5 is going to be a medication organizer. I will link one down below for it. So if you have to take medications and stuff, you have that there for you. Number 4 is going to have to be the adapters from, if you're going on a cruise that's based out of Europe, so you're going to need the European adapters to US adapters. So we'll link one down below. Number 3 is going to have to be this right here, a multi-plug. Comes with 2 USBs, a USB-C, and multiple regular plugs for it. Plugs in, perfect, pops it in, you're good to go. Number 2 is going to have to be this right here. This right here is going to be little hooks. I don't really have nothing metal right now to show you, but what it does, let me open it up. Brittany put them all back in here. So, you know what? I know how to show y'all how it's done. Alright, so let's take 2 of these. It comes with one big one and one medium and two mediums and two minis. So basically, any part of your cruise cabin, of the wall, above, on your door to hang stuff on. But what it does is it's magnetic and it clips there, good and strong. If you want to hang something up very heavy, I would recommend using big boy right here, this one. And let's get on to my number one, and mine and Brittany's number one cruise essential hacks that works out great. 3-day cruises works amazing too. Don't have all the clutter. We getting ready to go on an 8-day in June to Aruba and Grand Turk and stuff. We're going on the Vista. That'll be an update video real soon of like some tips, tricks, and hacks on it. But our number one essential is a portable, foldable hamper. So 8-day cruises, I recommend you can get some washing and stuff done, get some laundry done on it. But I recommend sending these because then you can throw all your dirty clothes, less clutter everywhere. All your dirty clothes is in your hamper. Then you can use one suitcase to put all your dirty clothes in there. And then whatever you had just left is clean, you can put it in another suitcase. But again, that is my top 10 and Brittany's top 10 cruise ship essentials. So again, guys, it's great for organization. That's just our timer. I gotta go outside and do something in a minute. But again, guys, thank y'all again for watching. Remember, guys, we're here for you. Any more tips, tricks, and stuff for cruises, Disney tip tricks. But I got tongue-tied there. Disney tip, tricks, and secrets. Cruise tip, tricks, and secrets. But again, guys, we catch you on the next one. Remember, the next video is going to end up being about the Carnival Vista tip, tricks, and hacks for overcoming that boat, guys. We catch you on the next one.